Hey guys, what is up? A very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook. Starting off with the dollar index. Dollar index reacted to that extreme area of demand over here at around 103 slash what is a key level. So at the moment what I'm waiting for is to see, okay, is the bullish reaction that we're going to get valid? At the moment we did see a close below this low, meaning that we've now seen a 4-hour break of structure. This results in that this is your swing high now, this is your swing low. So after a break of structure, what do you expect? You expect a pullback in towards the highs. When do we expect a pullback? We expect a pullback upon the break of fractal structure. So at the moment, this is your area of supply that is holding price. If this area holds, then of course we expect for the downside. If this high goes, then we definitely do expect further upside from the dollar index. So it's all in the hands of this high at around 103/460. So that's that. Let's say we do move down deeper, which is of course always a potential. Then I'll be keeping my eyes open for the level of around 102,600, which lies next to this big hammer candle over here, which is kind of like your next area of range and consolidation where orders should lie within the market. So that's over here. So then, moving on in towards Aussie dollar or Euro dollar, excuse me. So Euro dollar, again, squeezing in towards the highs. What do we need to see for today? Well, ultimately, of course, we expect that further upside. Did we get a push in towards here? No, we did not. So what I'm expecting now is because fractal structure closed above this high or broke above this high, meaning this is now your fractal low. So the overall kind of like fractal structure at the moment is like push up, pull back, push up, pull back again in towards this demand zone, which is this zone over here, and now we're moving up again. So as long as this low holds, we do expect further upside in towards that daily area of supply, and ultimately this refined black line, which is your 4-hour area of supply. Once this low goes over here, then of course you can look for shorts. Ultimately what I want to see is a break of structure above this high, a push up higher in line with the overall swing structure and the overall fractal structure like I just drew out. And then if we get a close above here, what do we then expect? We expect to pull back in towards the downside. So then we just wait for a fractal structure break and then we go short on Euro dollar. Those are the highest probability trades. So that's Euro dollar. Moving on in towards Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, again, very messy pair at the moment, just squeezing in towards the highs. I'm not really liking what I'm seeing. Very unclear price action. Overall, from a daily perspective, again, very similar to what GU showed last week, kind of takes out this last high before this area of supply. So you can see kind of like a liquidity grab. So this could initiate already a correction in towards the downside. So keep your eyes open. This is currently your 4-hour fractal low. So if that 4-hour fractal low were to go over there, and pretty much you'll then see this 1, 2, 3 play out, tap of the black line, which is your liquidation high, excuse me. Then if we break this low, then that pullback in towards the downside should be ready to come into fruition, which is also the overall pullback in towards the downside on this entire 4-hour swing in towards the highs over here. Because this, I wouldn't classify this as a swing pullback. So the swing pullback is still necessary. Again, after kind of like this ascending corrective price action, you should expect a deeper pullback, and that pullback should come once we break that fractal low. We kind of have this 1, 2, 3 ascending channel with the overall liquidation high positioned over there. So that's Aussie dollar. Pound dollar still stalling. Still waiting for this black line to go. Once that low goes, then you can look for shorts. Again, very consolidative. If we go in towards the daily time frame, again, still sucked up inside this supply zone. And I'm still looking for a short on GU overall. Going back in towards the 4-hour time frame, we saw a 4-hour break of structure, so we definitely expect a pullback in towards downside. So what we need to see for that pullback is, of course, a break of the lows, and then we can look for those shorts. Going in towards the 1-hour time frame, again, this is also pretty much a 1-hour low, so just wait for that to go and then look for shorts. NZDUSD going in towards the daily. Daily is of course bullish, so daily break of structure. After daily break of structure, what do we expect? We expect a pullback. Going in towards the 4-hour time frame, we had a 4-hour break of structure. What do you expect? You expect a pullback. So then what do? We go in towards the fractal structure and we look at the fractal low. So at the moment, this is your fractal low. As we can see, so far it is being respected. That 4-hour fractal low is, in this particular situation, not the 15-minute swing low, because as we can see on the 15-minute, pretty much we have that ascending structure, what I'm always looking for, a 1, 2, 3. We broke this low because this was structure over here, and now 15-minute is already bearish, but preferably I would also want to see that 4-hour fractal low go, to then look for a short in towards the downside, at least back down in towards the body of this overall sub for the buy candle. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on NZDUSD. Then moving on in towards gold. Gold still moving higher. Again, very slow day yesterday also for gold. What I'm now looking at is pretty much this area of daily demand, this sell candle for the buy in towards the highs. So a strong day again for gold yesterday. What I'm expecting is potentially a reaction. If we do see a reaction, look for a pullback in towards that sell before the buy, and then look for that buy opportunity to take a further long. Overall, where do we have then our demand? Inside that daily sell before the buy, inside this imbalance candle, for example, over here. And that is where I would be looking for a long with a nice liquidity low right over here at 2005. So that's a long that I'm looking for to take. So pretty simple market outlook. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keeping it short for you all. If you have any questions, make sure to join Discord, and wish you all a fantastic day. Thanks, guys.